Hello, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 14, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset this device. Okay, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can reset our OPPO. First, and the recommended method when we have access to the phone and when the phone works normally, it's fully responsive, is a reset through the settings. So I'll show you how you can do it. Let's open up our settings. Now simply scroll all the way down until you find System and Update. Now select Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. In here, of course, we are interested in the last option, Erase All Data, but we can also reset all settings or reset network and Bluetooth settings. When it comes to the resetting of this device, what I highly recommend is, just in case, to create a backup of our data. On our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how you can easily do it, so if you want you can find that video. Thanks to that, even after we reset this device, we will be able to restore our data. Pretty cool thing, so I highly recommend it. Now to perform that reset, all you need to do is to click on Erase All Data. If you have a lock screen set, there's a huge chance that you will need to type it or draw it. Of course, everything depends on the type of the password, but if you do it, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and it will be ready to use. Don't worry, this is a 100% method. I am resetting a lot of devices during the week, so it works every time, and don't worry, nothing will be damaged. Of course, except of your data, because of the factory reset, we need to erase them. So that's the first method. Now let's go into the second one, which is called a reset through the recovery mode. To perform it, we need to power off our device, and also I will tell you that this method I'm about to show you is recommended, for example, when the device isn't responsive, we cannot, basically when we cannot perform the first method. So let's power off our device. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. When the OPPO logo appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume down. So let's start holding. Okay, now release the finger from the power button. Okay, and now we are in recovery mode. To move around this menu, you can use the volume keys to navigate, or we can simply use our fingers because the screen is fully responsive. Select your language, and now select Format Data. If you want to use the buttons to confirm the selected option, you can use the power button, just like that. Now type this code using your password, and now we need to click on Format. Okay, data formatted, click on OK. As you can see, the device automatically turned off, and within a few seconds it will be automatically turned on, and the next step is the setup process. We need to simply set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.